Do you want to start a YouTube channel without dropping thousands of dollars on gear? I'm going to show you the easiest filming setup for under $200 that covers audio, lighting, and a rad camera that you already own. Let's go. At first, audio quality is more important than video, and that's why I recommend the Rode wireless microphone. This mic right here is $149. It connects wirelessly to your phone. You clip it on, you plug it in, and boom, you're good to go. I've used a lot of wireless microphones like this one, but by far this is my favorite because of how easy it is to use and set up. It sounds pretty good too. Testing. Testing. Next is lighting. You're gonna wanna be well lit so that your videos look professional. I love the UB-size, I think that's how you say it, the UB-size softbox, and it instantly makes your videos look more professional with soft, even light. No more harsh shadows. I know there's a shadow here. I've been trying my damnedest to get rid of this shadow. But in any case, I'm gonna link below to a kit that you can buy. It's $69. It comes with these two softboxes here. Light yourself well, you'll thank me later. And hey, if you don't want to buy lights, just make sure you sit facing a window. That natural light is going to hit your face and it's going to make you look good. Don't sit with the window behind you. That's the worst thing you can do. Then the back's going to be all blown out, and in the front, your face is going to be dark and it's not going to look great. And lastly is the camera, guys. Dun dun dun. And here's the twist, which you probably already knew. The best camera is already in your pocket. It's the iPhone. Or maybe you're an Android user, which is weird, but I hear that those have really good cameras too. So here's the deal with the iPhone and the way you're gonna wanna use it. The rear-facing camera, which is the camera that you use when you're filming your friends or taking pictures, that's the camera you wanna use. The selfie camera is okay, but the rear camera is where you're gonna get a beautiful cinematic image. And when you pair that with good lighting and good audio, you're gonna have a professional looking video. But there's one problem with the rear camera. You can't see yourself as if you would if you used the selfie camera, but that's not a problem because you can get a USB-C to HDMI adapter, and I'll link to it down below. Fuck is it? You plug it in your iPhone, you get an HDMI cable, and then you plug that cable into your computer. That way, you're gonna be able to see yourself. It's gonna mirror the image that your camera is seeing onto your monitor so you can see yourself and you can frame your shot up nicely. And hey, if for some reason that sounds complicated, you can use the selfie camera. And one last thing is your background. Make it reflect you. Maybe you're a reader and you've got some books that you want to display on a bookshelf behind you. Maybe you've got some rad artwork such as Thomas Shelby here. Peaky Blinders, one of my favorite shows of all time. Maybe you're a musician, you could hang your guitar. Whatever it is, make your background look cool. You can just do this with items that you have around your house. You don't need to buy anything, but make it reflect you, your vibe, and your style because that's what people are gonna relate to when they see your video. It just makes your channel more relatable and it helps build your brand over time. So there it is. For under $250, you've got a professional studio with good audio, good lighting, and a great camera that you already own. And spice up your background a little bit and you're gonna be off to the races to start creating and grow your channel. And if you want more gear tips, hit subscribe, really trying to grow this channel. And hey, if you wanted to buy any of the stuff I mentioned, there's links below in the description. And thanks for showing up, guys. I'm Eric. I own the Podcast Haven. We're a podcast production company that creates shows for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and even enterprise companies. So if you got an idea for a podcast and you want to get it off the ground, I can help you with that. Keep listening, keep engaging, keep creating. I'm out.